The check engine light, officially called the malfunction indicator lamp or MIL, is your Toyota Camry's primary warning system for engine and emission-related problems. This light is connected to your car's OBD2 system, which continuously monitors over 100 different systems and components throughout your vehicle. When the check engine light comes on, it's accompanied by a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC. These alphanumeric codes like P0420 or P1135 pinpoint the specific system or component that triggered the warning. Modern Toyota Camrys from 2022 to 2025 feature enhanced OBD2 systems with more precise error detection, Bluetooth connectivity, and integration with Toyota's mobile app for better diagnostics. Before attempting any reset, it's crucial to understand that resetting the check engine light without addressing the underlying problem is only a temporary fix. Always note the diagnostic trouble code first, and if the light returns quickly after reset, this signals a persistent issue that needs professional attention. The most reliable method to reset your Toyota Camry's check engine light is using an OBD2 scanner. This professional approach ensures you can read the diagnostic codes before clearing them. First, locate the OBD2 port under your driver's side dashboard. Connect your scanner to this port, then turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Follow your scanner's prompts to read the diagnostic codes first, then clear them. This method has a 95% immediate success rate and allows you to keep a record of the codes for future reference. The second method involves disconnecting your car's battery. This is a simple but less precise approach that clears all stored codes and resets the engine control module. Turn off your engine and remove the keys. Disconnect the negative terminal first for safety. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This allows the system to fully reset. Some Toyota Camry models support a pedal reset sequence, though this method is less common and model-specific. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Then press the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. Turn the ignition off, then restart the engine to complete the sequence. After any reset method, your Toyota Camry requires a complete drive cycle for all monitoring systems to reset properly. This is crucial for the reset to be permanent. Important safety precautions. Never reset the check engine light if you're experiencing active engine performance issues, visible smoke, unusual odors, or temperature warning lights. Address the underlying problem first. Remember that proper diagnosis should always come before resetting. If the light returns after following these procedures, consult a qualified technician to address the underlying issue causing the check engine light.